Hello, Bayu.
My name is Popoyo Aji.
Where do you pass from?
I'm from class 10 and 4. You class?
I'm from class 5. By the way, where do you live?
I live in the Pinang too. What do you do?
I live in Jalan Muara Pai 8. By the way, what is your guys' hobby? You father, what is your hobby?
My hobby is sleep and read badminton.
And you, Bayu?
My hobby is video game and practice. You?
My hobby is I like to play table tennis and swimming, and I also love to running. By the way, I need to go to the toilet, guys. So,
Yeah.
that's all. Okay. See you guys next time, bro.
Yeah.